Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on connecting your Roku Remote to your TV. Whether you have a new remote or are troubleshooting an older one, we'll get you connected in no time. Let's jump in. Section 1. Connecting an infrared ear remote. First, let's cover how to connect an IR remote. It's straightforward since it doesn't require pairing. Insert batteries. Place fresh batteries into your Roku IR remote. Point and press. Stand facing your Roku device, point the remote at it, and press any button, like the home button. If your IR remote is working, you'll see the Roku interface respond instantly. If not, check the batteries or ensure nothing is blocking the signal. Easy, right? Section 2. Connecting an enhanced Roku remote. Now, for those of you with an enhanced Roku remote, here's how to pair it. Insert batteries. Again, make sure you have fresh batteries installed. Turn on the Roku device, power on your Roku device, and wait for the home screen to load fully. Locate pairing button. Look inside the battery compartment of the remote to find a small pairing button. Press and hold the pairing button. Press and hold the button for about 5 seconds until you see the pairing light start blinking. Cut to a graphic of blinking LED light on remote. Wait for pairing confirmation. Your Roku device will show a pairing message on the screen. Once it's paired, you'll be able to navigate the Roku menu. After pairing, your enhanced Roku remote should be fully functional. If it doesn't work right away, try repairing or restarting your Roku device. Conclusion. And that's it. Connecting your Roku remote to your TV is easy once you know how. If this video helped you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tips. And as always, drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.